All right, hey, it's Jay here again. Um, as you may have already guessed, I'm a big fan of the Ryobi tools. You can get them, I think they're exclusive to Home Depot, but you can also get them on directtoolsfactoryoutlet.com. This deal is a Home Depot deal, so I ordered it off of Home Depot. I ordered it, I think, maybe Sunday, and today's Wednesday. It just came in today. I haven't opened it yet. I haven't looked at it yet. This is a 3-pack light combo. So you have 3 different lights in here. So this is one that I really wanted. And then I think they, on their own, they go for like $90 or more. This one is like a spotlight, handheld spotlight kind of deal. It's probably around $50. And then I think this one by itself is probably around 25 bucks. So I got this 3 light deal for $99 plus tax, free shipping from Home Depot. And what's cool about this one here is when I get it out of the box, I'll show you it's a hybrid light. Right, so it takes the universal 1 plus battery, the 18 volt 1 plus battery. One battery goes into hundreds of different tools. But it also, you can plug it into like an extension cord and use, electricity as well, not just the battery. Let's go ahead and open it up, because I haven't looked at it yet. And I have been eyeballing the lights for a while. And somebody had posted in a Ryobi Facebook group the deal. So I went out and found it and had it shipped. Like I said, individually, these would be well over $100, $150. So you're saving at least 50, 60 bucks. I'll put the total in the description below, and I'll put some links to the individual units so you can get an idea. As with all tools, especially Ryobi tools, you're going to get your manuals. You have your hybrid light. You always get one of these. Just kind of gives you rundown on all their different types of products. You got 40 volts. I think they now have 80 volt stuff. And then you have your 18 volt. So just a little product guide. And then here's your handheld spotlight instructions. And I don't see one for the other light. Maybe in the bottom. And these things are never going to get packaged back up the way they were, because most of this stuff is going to end up at the workshop in Vermont, or my shed in Vermont. So looks like we're going to have the hybrid light first. Maybe. There we go. Let's get this front off here. So it's kind of cool that you can close it up. It doesn't take up all the space. All right, and you can adjust these all the way back. You can spread that light out or keep it close. I'm not sure the lumens on this. Again, I forgot. I'll put a pop-up on the screen here for the lumens and a link in the description, obviously, for all the products. But here's your extension cord. So you would plug your construction extension cord in there, your orange one, the standard orange one you all see. And then you can also put the battery right in here. And I have a battery right here. You have your on-off here on the top. Oh my goodness. I think I just blinded everybody, especially me. That is pretty bright, that's for sure. That would make a great work light. Oh, so the high, medium, low, and off. So high, medium, low, off. That's pretty cool. So hybrid 18 volt Ryobi 18. All right, let's see what else we got. We also got in this deal the Spotlight. You got your trigger here. Oh, this says 3,000 lumens right on the side. I don't know if you can see that. I wonder if the other one has lumens on the side. Let me take a look. So this... Yeah, the hybrid one, I don't see anything that says what lumens it is. But it's got to be pretty close to that 3,000 as well. Because that was like super bright. Oh, look at that. I put it away too quick. So not only can you adjust these, right, but you can also move this up and down. That's pretty good range of flexibility there. So, you know, you could be working under a car, under a workbench, under the sink. Yeah, no lumens on here. I'll put the lumens in the description. But this one did have the lumens on it. It says 3,000 lumens. And it does have a high, medium, and low setting as well. So you have high, medium, low, and then off. And the trigger is very soft, so it doesn't even feel like you're really pressing it much. Well, that's pretty nice. This one will definitely end up at in the shed up in Vermont. I don't know. Maybe this would be good in the motorhome too. Take it on the road with us. So when we get into those boondocking locations, camping in the woods. Anyway, let's check the next one out. And the next one is it's like a little clamp. Let's see. Oh yeah, it says on the box here somewhere. That's in a different language, but on the other side here, it says 3,000 lumens for the hybrid LED, 3,000 for the spotlight, and 400 for the flexible clamp light. So the clamp light is more like a hobby light. So if you're doing some detail work and you need a little spotlight, or you know, whatever you want to use it for. You know, it wasn't one that was on my list to buy, but since this was a combo deal and the price was, let's say, on point, couldn't pass it up, right? So this manual is actually in the box for this one. Let's get this cardboard off of here. Twirl that. So here's the clamp. So you can clamp this onto the edge of the workbench or the sawhorse or something. Battery goes on the bottom, and then the light. It's pretty good length. You know, it's probably 1.5 feet or more. And your light here, 400 lumens. Got a piece of plastic on here you can take off. Let's get a battery in here. Same 18-volt 1+ battery, every tool. And where is the power button? Oh, there it is. It's on the top of the light. So that's pretty cool. It'd be great on the workbench for sure. That's where it's going to end up. Oh, again, we have a high, medium, low. Oh, we have a high, low, and off. Anyway, so that was my 3-pack deal from Home Depot. $99. I don't know how long the deal is going to be. Today is, what is today? November 8th, 2023. I think I ordered it on November 6th, 2023. Just go to homedepot.com and just, look for the 3 light deal. And maybe it'll be there, maybe it won't. Maybe it'll be back for Black Friday. I think it was an early Black Friday deal, so maybe they'll have it again later on. Put that there. I'm really digging the hybrid light with the flexibility of those panels. Could have used this up in the attic here. We've been putting the floor in the attic, and I have a rechargeable light that does pretty good, but it's not as bright as it could be, so we have to have another person holding it over me when I'm trying to cut upstairs on the sawhorses. So if I had this light, it'd be super bright, and I could have not made those crooked cuts, right? Anyway, that's it, and we'll see you on the next one. Okay, so here's a little extra for you. I did an unboxing video of this stuff recently as well. This was a Ryobi haul from the discount site. So these ones I just got to go in the pile. And eventually they'll go in my toolboxes, which I will do a review and video on as well. The Ryobi Link toolboxes. So half this stuff here is going to go to Vermont, and the other half is going to go into my, Massachusetts toolboxes. But for now, they're all going to sit in this box. And I did get an email from Direct Tools Factory Outlet today. So I'm going to go check the website out. They're having a 2-tool deal going on. Goodbye.